Hi students, last class see the what is the topic you know? What? Even number and odd number. Yes, what is mean even number? Even number end with what? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then that is called even number. Then what is this another one? Another one is odd number. Odd number end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These all are end with the place end is the number is the that is called in a odd number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is the that is called in a even number. Already everyone you learned the last class. Today what is the topic you learned today? Place value. What is mean place value? Today topic is place value. Okay, everyone take a note and copy the sums. Kiva, today see the place value. What is mean place value? Each digit number has a place. Kiva, for example, every number has a place value. For example, I write in a 29. Kiva, what is the number I write in? 29. That is one digit number or two digit number? That is two digit number. So the two digit number is that each and every number has a what na place value. ஒவ்வொரு நம்பர் இருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு வேல்யூ இருக்கும் that is called the place value. இந்த பிளேஸ்க்குங்கற ஒரு மதிப்பு இருக்கும் இந்த place also denote one value. So today see the class. Okay, now identify the place value. Here write in a 29. What is the place for 9? Place value for 9. Then what is the 2 place value? Identify. First one is what? Everyone comes to this one. First, that is first digit. Next one is second digit. Next number is that is third digit. First is see the first digit number. Okay, so what is the number? 9. So the place value of 9 is this. What? That is what? What place? Ones place. Okay. The next one is tens place. Okay. First one is what place? Ones place. The next one is tens place. So what is the value of 9? What is the place value? The place value of 9 is 9 ones. Okay, what is mean? 9 ones. 9 ones equal to 9. How is it come from in a 9? 9 ones means only 1. So 9 into 1 is equal to 9. So what is the value for 9? 9 ones. Okay. So the next one is what? 2. What is the place value for 2? Next one is what place? The tens place. Okay, in the place la irukku tens place la irukku. Then you identify the place value. That is ones place, tens place, then 100 place. In the place la irukko that is denote place. Now here what did you do? Identify the place value. Okay, so here is the place is tens. What is the value here? 2 is a tens place. So here how many tens is there? 2 tens is there. How many tens is there? 2 tens is there. So that is place value is 2 tens is equal to 20. 2 tens is equal to 10 plus 10, 20. So that is 20. Okay, so that is place value. What is the place value for 9? 9 ones. What is the place value of 2? 2 tens. Totally 20 plus 9 is equal to 29. So I see here 20 plus 9 is equal to 29. You get the same answer. So that is place value. Today see the how to identify the place value. Okay students. Now another one example I do it. You everyone follow in your notebook. Now I write in a 38. So that is 38 is a 2 digit number. Yes or no? Yes, 38 is a 1 2. two number is there, so that is called in a two-digit number. Now you identify the place value for this one. Okay, so here which is the ones place? 8 is a ones place, then 3 is a tens place. Okay, so what is the value for 8? What is the value for here? See here that is 8 ones. Okay, then here how many tens is there? 3 tens. Okay, now here how many 8 ones is equal to 8 into 1 1, 8 into 1 is equal to 8. So here 3 tens is there. 3 tens are 30. Okay, now 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. That is the place value. Okay, so every number, each digit in a number has place value. So same thing, every how is it right in a number being? One is standard form, another one is expanded form. The number can be written by two types. One is standard form, another one is what? Expanded form. Okay, what is mean standard form? What is mean expanded form? Now see it. What is mean standard now? You every day you write in a number, that is called the standard form. For example, 33, 35, then 39, then 40, 43. This every you follow it to 1 to 100, 200. That is called the standard form. Okay. So what is mean expanded form? What is the number given? என்ன number கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அதுல how many tens, then how many ones is that is called the expanded form. Now let us see the one example for how to write in a standard form, how to write in a expanded form. Okay, so first one is one example is I write here, you write here 38. So already I write in a 38. The 38 is a standard form. Directly you write, normally every day you write, the number is called a standard form already. So here 38 is a standard form. The expanded form means how many tens is there, how many ones is there, right? That is expanded form. So that is how many ones is there in the sum? 8 ones. Then how many tens is there? 3 tens. So that is called the expanded form. Okay, so now see another one sum 39. Okay, that is called a what? Standard form. Okay, then what is mean expanded form is how many ones is there? 9 ones. Okay, then how many tens is there in this sum? 3 tens is there. So 3 tens. Okay, now see how many tens, how many ones is there in that sum? I write it. So that is called the expanded form. That is called the expanded form. Directly everyone you like the number, this like, that is called the standard form. Okay, so that is standard form, another one is expanded form. Okay, everyone understand first what is mean standard form, what is mean expanded form, another one sum I write. So you identify the expanded form alone. Okay, so 93. So you write how many ones is there, how many tens is there, that is called expanded form. So here how many tens is there? First write not tens. You first write how many ones is there. Okay, first write ones place, next only goes to tens place. Okay, முதல்ல ones எழுதிட்டு தான் next எந்த பிளேஸ்க்கு போகணும்? tens பிளேஸ்க்கு போகணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம என்ன எழுத கூடாது? tens place ஓட வேல்யூ எழுத கூடாது. Okay, so what is the ones place? 3 is a ones place. So how many ones is there? 3 ones. 3 ones. Then how many tens is there? 9 tens. So the expanded form 93 is 9 tens plus 3 ones. Why did you use? I use for in a plus. The expanded form means, so both value add it, then you get in a standard form. Now do it. Yes, 9 tens is equal to 9 tens means 9 into 10. Kiva 9 10 means 9 into 10. Then plus 3 into 1 means 1. Okay. So now do it. 9 into 10, 9 tens are 90. So everyone you know the 10 table. So 9 into 10 is equal to 90 plus 3 into 1, 1 3 is a 3. So 90 plus 3 is equal to 93. So now we get in a 93. To standard form change to expanded form. Suppose expanded form is given, you change to standard form. So both one is there. What convert here, you do it. Okay. So here what is given, standard form alone, here you write in a expanded form. Then expanded form how to convert in a standard form already I do this one. Okay. Understand for this? Yes. Now I give the some sums. Everyone do in a notebook. Okay. How to identify the place value? The first one sum is write the first write the place values. Okay. Now I write some numbers and see here. First one is 35. What is the number is given? 35. Oh, I underline the number is 3. So what is the value of 3? Identify it. Okay, what is the value of 3? What is the value of 3? That is what? Ones place. That is what place? Tens place. So what is the value for tens? What is the value for 3? 3 tens equal to, you write this 3 tens are 30. Okay, what is the value for 3? 3 tens are 30. So 3 tens is the 30. So the next one is 64. So I underline the digit 6. What is the value for 6? So which is the ones place? 6 is the ones place? No. Which one is ones place? 4 is a ones place. So 6 is a tens place. So what is the value for 6? 6 tens are 60. Kiva, tens value means you in multiply with 10. Here ones is the, you multiply with 1. Okay, so here underline number digit is tens place. So 60. Okay, the third one is 73. Here what is the digit and the value? Find the value for 3. What is the place value for 3? What is the place first? That is ones or tens. So that is ones place. 7 is a tens place. Okay. Now find the value for 3. What is the value for 3? That is ones place you identify. Then 3 ones equal to what? 3. The value also 3. Okay. The next one is 20. Here answer is 20. Now you find the value of 2. What is the place value for 2? That is ones place. Next one is tens place. Okay. What is the value of 2? 2 tens are 20. Okay. What is the value for 2? 2 tens are 20. So how to identify? First you identify the place. that is ones place or tens place. You first identify, then you direct easy to identify for a value. That is ones place, that is tens place. So tens place is how many tens is that? 3 tens are. 3 tens are 30. Easy. Next one is you first identify the place. அது எந்த பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கு? ones placeல இருக்கா? tens placeல இருக்கா? First you identify. Then you find the value. Then only you identify very easy. Okay. Then next one is next sum goes to next sum. Okay. So what is the next sum is given? Give the number name. You write standard form and expanded form. What is the next sum? Give the number name. You write the standard form and expanded form. Now do it. Everyone copy in your notebook. First give the number. You write standard form. Next expanded form. First here what is given? Number name. Okay. Number name. Next you write in a standard form. Standard form. The next one you identify the expanded form. Expanded form. Okay. First, what is the number name is given? 47. So that is number name. You write the standard form. How is it write in a standard form? Every day you write in a number that is called a standard form. So 47. Okay. Next you write, what did you do? Expanded form. Next what did you do? Expanded form. So here how many tens is there? How many ones is there? So how many ones is there? 7 ones. Then how many tens is there? 4 tens. You like this also. Sometimes you write 4 tens plus 7 ones. So two method is there. You everyone do it. Anyone you do it. Okay. You directly write the value of this like 4 tens or 7 ones. The both one you do it. Any one only follow it. Okay. The next number name is 90. Okay. Next one is what? 90. Okay. What is the standard form? How is it right? 9. That is 90? No, that is 19. So how is it right? 90 means 90. Okay. That is standard form. Next what is this? Expanded form. How many ones is there? How many tens is there? Here how many ones is there? No ones. So directly we put 0. No ones. So I put 0. Then how many tens is there? 9 tens is there. So I write in a 9 tens are 90. Okay. So another one method, how is it right? 9 tens and 0 ones. 0 ones. Okay, understand? Yes, this is like any one here given, you directly change to standard form or expanded form. Suppose given the expanded form is given, you write standard form and number name. Okay, number one is given and 110, then 2 ones. Okay, 1 tens plus 2 ones is given. So you identify the standard form. How to standard form? How many tens is there? Only 1 tens. How many 10 ones is there? 2 ones. So what is the standard form is there? 12. So you directly write the what is the number name? You write here TWELVE. Write the number name TWELVE 12. Okay. So that is the whatever you given, you write the number name, standard form or expanded form. Okay, understand for this one. What is the next sum? Okay. Next sum is, what is the next sum is, one group of pictures given, you identify the how many numbers is there, you count, then identify the standard form, then expanded form, next number name. What is mean group? Suppose I give one packet, okay va? What is mean? One packet is there, okay. So one bucket is there, the packet fully filled within a balls, okay, one packet filled within a balls. How many balls means? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, one ball is equal to 1. Okay, one ball is equal to 1. Or ball oda value enna 1. Okay, here how many balls is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 balls is there. Okay, how many balls is there? 10 balls is there. Then what is the value for that bucket? So 10 balls is equal to 1 ball is equal to 1. Therefore 10 ball is equal to 10. Okay, 10 ball is equal to 10. So once here, what is identify it? One basket is equal to tens. Okay, I draw it. One basket is equal to tens. Now suppose I draw it another one basket. Okay, here also 10 balls is there. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here also I write in another one basket, put in a 10 balls. So here one 10 balls, another one 10 balls. Then loosely the both bucket filled. So another one means another one balls in a right here. Okay, இந்த ரெண்டு பாலையும் விட்டுட்டு எம்டியா லூஸ்ல எப்படி வச்சிருக்கோம்னா ஒரு 4 பால்ஸ் வச்சிருக்கேன். ஓகேவா, லூஸ்ல எவ்வளோ பால்ஸ் வச்சிருக்கேன்? 4 பால்ஸ் வச்சிருக்கேன். ஸோ இப்போ வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், இதை ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண போகிறோம். என்ன வேல்யூ எவ்வளோ பால்ஸ் இருக்குது, அதுக்கு ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபார்மும் expanded form also right. Okay, so one packet is equal to what? 10. So two packet is equal to what? 20. Yes, here 10 ball is there, here 10 ball is there. So here how many tens is there? 2 tens is there. How many tens is there? 2 tens is there. Loose, how many balls is there loosely? எவ்வளோ லூஸில் வச்சுருக்கோம்? 4 balls வச்சுருக்கோம். That is called the ones place. ஓகேவா, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balls is there? 4 balls. So that is ones. Okay, so now you directly identify the standard form. 2 tens equal to, that is standard form is 24. Get, that is
expanded form. Then what is, how many balls is there? That is standard form. 2 tens are 20. 4 into 1 4. 20 plus 4 24. Understand? The same, anyone you group of one, suppose one basket is given, the basket fully filled with in the mangoes. So one basket is equal to what? 110. Okay, anyone is group of is given, that is one packet. One packet of cells are filled within a stars. That also equal to 1/10. ஒரு பாக்கெட்டில் ஃபுல்லாக ஒரு 10 ஸ்டார் வச்சு என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, ஃபில் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்காங்க. 10 ஸ்டார் இருந்துச்சுன்னா தட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு வாட், 1/10. ஓகேவா, 1 ஸ்டார் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஒன்ஸ்னா அப்போ 10 ஸ்டார் இருக்கும்போது டென்ஸ், 1/10. ஓகே, ஸோ சேம் ஒன் திஸ் லைக் திஸ் சம் do everyone copy in your notebook. Then what is the next one is the another one same, another one sum I do it, you copy it. Okay, so one circle of is there. Here you count and write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then lose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so okay, then same example this sum. How many tens is there? So the one circle is equal to 1/10. One circle is equal to 1/10. Why did here? How many star is there? 10 star is there. So 10 is the 1. Whatever 10 stars தான இருக்கு. So that is equal to 1/10. So write the expanded form. So how many tens is there? How many ones is there? Here how many ones is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones is there? 6 ones. Next, how many tens is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens is there? 4 tens. So 4 tens plus 6 ones, that is expanded form. What is the standard form? Standard form for this star? 46. How to identify 46? 4 tens are 40. Then 6 ones are 6 ones equal to 6. 40 plus 6 equal to 46. That is the what? Standard form. Understand how to identify the standard form, how to identify the expanded form. Then another one is place value. Okay, first you identify the place, then what is the value for that place. Okay, that is method. And next, expanded form. How to write expanded form? Another one is standard form. Next, I give some sums for in your home assignment. Everyone copy in your notebook. Okay, students? Yes, what is the today home assignment for some sums given? The homework is someone match the following. What match the following is there? So this side give the expanded form, you match the standard form. So that is easy. So that side I give in a expanded form. Here give in a what? Standard form. You directly match for the which one is matched to this side. Okay, so what is the first sum? 5 tens, 5 tens and 7 ones. Okay, wow. Then the next one is 6 tens and 9 ones. The third one is 7 tens and 7 ones. The fourth one is 9 tens and how many ones is there? 9 ones is there. So now this side I write in a what? Standard form. Which expanded form is matching? You match it. So 99, 57, 69, another one is 77. So which one is to match to this side? 69, 77. So match the following. This one what? Which exponent form match to here? Standard form. You match it. Okay. That is today homework. Okay. Everyone understand for today what is the topic? Learn it. Place value. What is mean place? And the place in the place la irukko adu tens ones adukku identify pannadhu place. And the place la irukka value kandupidikiradhu per da enadhu place value. Then number can be written by two method. One is standard form, another one is expanded form. Any form is given, you directly convert to another one method. You write in a expanded form or what? Standard form. So today class everyone understand? Okay. Thank you students.